In this video, we'll be creating a new Google Skill Boost account. So the first condition should be followed before applying for Google Skill Google Cloud Jams. Or you should create a new Google Skill Boost account after September 22nd. If you have created any prior one, will be rejected. So make sure you create a new Google Skill Boost account after September 22nd. So open your browser and type Google Skill Boost login. So you'll be getting this portal. Click on it. Uh, Here you will be having a sign in option. Click on it. So you will be using sign in with Google. Rather, you will be not using. So we have some condition while choosing a Gmail ID for Google Skill Boost account. So you should make sure that you will create a new Gmail ID for Google Skill Boost account. And if you are using any college email ID, it will get rejected. And if you have any previous login with Google Skill Boost account and using the same year, will also get rejected. So it is better to create a new Gmail ID. So click on here, sign in with Google. So I have created already a new email ID. So I will click on it. So you can read the terms and condition. So click on I'm not a robot. Accept it. So we should make sure that our Google Skill Boost account is public. So click on my account icon. So click on settings. So you will have three dash menu here. So click on it. So click on profile. So here you have make badge public profile. So click on it. So make public profile. So you will have URL here. You will have a URL here. So you should make sure that you will copy this URL from the starting to the end point without missing any characters. So it is a crucial part of it, crucial part of filling a G form. So make sure you will copy everything over here and copy it and paste it in your G form.